Hello traders, today is the 14th of November 2023. What an amazing trade guys on all the pound pairs. Let me share with you guys pound yen, how we analyze the market. If you look at this is the market, we've been long since the market has broken this area. So we've been long, we keep taking long. We also watch here, we also have taken long here. We also have taken this short. Then afterward, we also have taken this long here. So let me explain to you how I analyze the market and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit on pound yen. So if you look at here, we had this even before that. We can see here beautiful long trade here, as mentioned here. That was the beautiful trade yesterday. Beautiful pullback, another pullback, bank amazing profit. And then, as mentioned here, the counter trade in 4 hour. That was the pretty straightforward. We were looking this breakout. Market nicely broken after the breakout. Nicely pullback. Beautiful hit target. Bank amazing profit. And this was the another analysis once the price reverse, as explained to Martin. Let the market develop a certain structure, then we're going to look at based on that. We had a beautiful long trade here, even in London morning session, as explained. Said my trader keep holding it. We are expecting here another pullback long at this level. You can see a market nicely develop another pullback, and as explained, my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. So guys, so you want to see those analyses in real time with the full explanation? Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.